In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a WhatsApp button to your Wix site using Chrome so your visitors can reach you easily with just a click. This process is simple, effective, and a great way to enhance user interaction on your website. Let's dive right in. First, you need to access the Wix editor using Chrome as your browser. To do this, open Google Chrome on your computer and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, select the website you want to edit and click on Edit Site to launch the Wix editor. It might take a moment to load, so hold tight. Once inside the Wix editor, shift your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll find the toolbar. This is your main hub for adding elements to your site. Within this toolbar, you'll see an icon labeled Add. Give that icon a click, and a menu will slide out with various elements you can insert into your page. These options encompass everything, from text to images and much more. Right now, however, we're focusing specifically on contact, so hover over or scroll down until you see the contact section. As you peruse the contact options, look for something titled the WhatsApp button. This is what will allow your site visitors to easily start a chat with you via WhatsApp. Simply click on WhatsApp button and voila, it's been added to your page. It's as easy as that. But wait, we're not done just yet. With the button now on your page, a crucial next step is to configure it with your actual WhatsApp number. Click on the button, bringing up the settings menu where you can input your number. Be sure to enter it correctly, with the appropriate country code, since this is the number visitors will use to contact you. Double checking here can save you from frustrating situations later on where messages might not come through. Next, we get to the creative part, customization. With the WhatsApp button selected, go to Design to adjust its style and look. This is your chance to make it blend in beautifully or stand out strikingly on your website depending on the aesthetic you're going for. You can tweak the button's color, size, and even position to match the overall design of your site. Remember, you want it to be easily noticeable but not obtrusive. Now that everything is customized to your liking, the final step is simple yet crucial, saving your work. Head over to the top right corner of the Wix editor, click on the Save button, and then Publish. This ensures all your changes are live and accessible to anyone visiting your site. And there you have it. You've successfully added a WhatsApp button to your Wix website. Thanks to this feature, your visitors can now quickly reach out and start a conversation with just one click. It's a small addition that can make a significant impact on your site's interactivity. Go ahead and try it out and see how it enhances your communication